Aromatherapy. How many scents can the body distinguish? 100, 1,000, 5,000, or 10,000? Believe it or not, it's thought that we can distinguish about 10,000 different scents. Power of smell. So we've talked about the power of sight, mental imagery, the power of sound, music therapy, and the power of touch, massage therapy. Now let's talk about the power of smell, aromatherapy. To illustrate the power of specific smells on our specific emotions, 119 participants were asked which odor evoked one of the 6 basic emotions: happiness, disgust, anger, anxiety, sadness, and surprise. Results show that almost every participant could name a specific odor that they associated with for happiness and disgust. About 3/4 of the participants could identify a smell they associated with anxiety. So happiness, disgust, and anxiety were the emotions that were most strongly correlated with specific smells. The smell of war. The United States military is increasingly using virtual and augmented reality simulations in troop training, and with recent research suggesting the importance of smell to trigger emotions, they are now employing people with the necessary experience to incorporate smell into their simulators. What is it? Well, aromatherapy is a form of alternative medicine that uses essential oils for the purpose of altering a person's mood, cognitive function, or health. The sense of smell is pretty powerful. As scents are inhaled, the smell travels across the olfactory nerves located inside the nose and then up to the limbic system, which is a part of the brain that controls our moods, our memories, and our ability to learn. When the limbic system is stimulated, it releases endorphins, neurotransmitters, and other feel-good chemicals. So smells have a subtle way of affecting your mood and emotions. Think of the way you feel when you sniff the scent from a fresh bouquet of flowers, or smell chocolate chip cookies baking in the oven, versus your reaction when you smell garbage or burnt popcorn or sweat or other body odors. The purpose of relaxation techniques is to calm your body and mind. Since certain smells can invoke pleasurable or not so pleasurable reactions that may help or inhibit a relaxed state, it's important to include a discussion of aromatherapy as a relaxation technique. Physiological benefits. Here's a quick snapshot of some of the benefits that have been found to be associated with aromatherapy. Heals wounds, energizes, improves skin tone, relaxes muscle, regulates hormones, reduces inflammation, relieves menstrual cramps, improves sleep, stimulates the immune system, helps kill fungal and bacterial infections, decreases sinus and lung congestion, aids digestion, relieves tension headaches, and aids blood circulation. Just a quick note about healing wounds. An article in the Journal of Aromatherapy includes details of a 3-year research program conducted in nursing homes with over 100 patients using essential oils to treat ulcers, skin tears, pressure sores, and skin abrasions. There were significant improvements in healing times, infection control, and odor control. Another quick note about menstrual cramps. A study in Korea found that over a 6-month period, aromatherapy helped relieve menstrual cramps. Cancer. Another study compared the effects of aromatherapy and massage alone on physiological and psychological symptoms in patients with advanced cancer. Although aromatherapy didn't help slow the growth of cancer, the researchers found that patients with high levels of psychological distress responded best to aromatherapy. Bronchitis. Results of another study indicate that aromatherapy may be helpful with chronic bronchitis. Although the overall number of infections was not modified by aromatherapy, the frequency of relapse at least appears to have been significantly lowered in the group receiving the treatment compared to the group receiving the placebo. Headaches. Results of another study suggest that aromatherapy is very effective in reducing headaches. Coronary circulation. Other researchers assessed the effect of lavender aromatherapy on coronary circulation. The findings suggest that lavender aromatherapy definitely has relaxation effects, and it also may have beneficial effects on coronary circulation. Psychological benefits. Improved mood. 122 patients admitted to the general intensive care unit were randomly allocated to receive massage or aromatherapy using lavender oil, or a period of rest. Those patients who received aromatherapy reported significantly greater improvements in their mood and perceived levels of anxiety. One study took a look at the effect of 3 women's perfumes on the mood of women. All 3 fragrances' impact on mood was influenced by initial mood, so it depended on how the women were feeling to begin with. Results showed that all 3 fragrances decreased negative feelings and increased vigor. Also, the 3 fragrances elicited specific mood patterns. For example, the floral citrus fragrance decreased anger and confusion, whereas the floral woody scent lowered depression, tension, and confusion. And the effects lasted up to 3 hours as long as the scent was still noticeable. Alertness. In another study, brainwave activity, alertness, and mood were assessed in 40 adults given 3 minutes of aromatherapy using 2 aromas: lavender, which is considered a relaxing odor, or rosemary, which is considered a stimulating odor. The lavender group showed increased beta powers, suggesting increased drowsiness. They had less depressed mood and reported feeling more relaxed, and they performed math computations faster and more accurately following aromatherapy. Okay, so here are some suggested fragrances specifically for stress relief and relaxation. And here are a few suggestions for ways to use these essential oils. Aromatherapy compress. Fill a large bowl with warm water or cool water. Add about 3 drops of essential oil and mix well. Dip a washcloth in the bowl and wring it out and apply to your skin. Bath. Fill your bathtub with warm water and add about 8 drops of essential oil. Body lotion. Take unscented body lotion, add about 4 drops of essential oil per ounce, and mix the lotion with a stir stick. Body mist. Fill a spray water bottle with distilled water and add about 10 drops of essential oil and shake well. Diffusers. Diffusers come in all shapes and sizes. Some are electric, some use candles, etc. They're perfect for spreading the aroma throughout a room. Just place the oil in the diffuser. Drawers and closets. Dab a few drops of essential oil on a cotton ball or on a tissue and place in a drawer or in your closet. Hairbrush. Rub 3 drops of oil into your palm and wipe the ends of the bristles into your palm. Hand soap. You can create your own hand soap by purchasing unscented soap and adding approximately 4 drops per ounce of soap. Instant boost. Rub a couple of drops of essential oil in your hands and inhale the vapors. Room spray. Similar to the body spray, fill a spray water bottle with distilled or regular water and add about 15 drops of essential oil and shake well. Shampoos and conditioners. You can make your own aromatherapy shampoo with unscented or mild shampoo by adding about 10 drops of essential oil per ounce. The supplemental video for this lecture is called 6 Doctors Discuss doTERRA Essential Oils in Western Medicine. It's just under 15 minutes, but you don't need to watch the entire video. You just need to watch it long enough to get the answers on the study guide. doTERRA is an essential oil company. It's interesting that Western medicine is starting to take a more serious look at the role that alternative therapies, specifically essential oils, play in our health. Key points: certain smells can alter our mood and help induce a state of relaxation. Aromatherapy has been shown to be associated with physiological and psychological benefits. There are tons of different ways you can do aromatherapy. And that's it for this lecture.